Hi scholars, I'm back with a story today, and this time it's about the rainforest. So last week we studied about the water cycle and how a droplet of water could rise up from the earth and come back down in the form of rain. And that cycle goes over and over. The rain goes up, it comes back down. The water goes up and it comes back down. So in this place on our earth, it rains all the time. And there are some really cool animals that live in the rainforest. This book is really special because the illustrator, Jeanette Canyon, actually made these pictures with a special type of clay. So if you look really closely at the illustrations, they're very, very unique. And the author is Marianne Burks. So they worked together to create this book called Over in the Jungle. And there's also a lot of rhyming in the story. Try to show the whole book as I read. Over in the Jungle. And there's counting and rhyming. Over in the jungle where the trees greet the sun lived a mother marmoset and her marmoset won. Swing, said the mother. I swing, said the one. So they swung and they hung where the trees greet the sun. Over in the jungle, wearing wings of shiny blue, lived a morpho butterfly and her little morpho too. Flit, said the mother. We flit, said the two. So they flitted and they fluttered, wearing wings of shiny blue. Two, blue. Those rhyme. But look how beautiful the pictures are. Can you tell it's with clay? Over in the jungle on a leafy canopy lived a noisy mother parrot and her little parrots 3. Squawk, said the mother. We squawk, said the 3. So they squawked and they walked on a leafy canopy. Comes after 3. Over in the jungle on a rainforest floor lived a leafcutter ant and her little ants 4. Any ideas why they're called leafcutter ants? Look at what they're doing. Cutting out part of the leaf and walking away with these pieces of the leaf. Scurry, said the mother. We scurry, said the 4. So they scurried and they hurried on the rainforest floor. Number is that? Over in the jungle near a big beehive lived a mother honey bear and her little honeys 5. Scramble, said the mother. We scramble, said the 5. So they scrambled and they rambled toward a big bee hive. Over in the jungle, curled around some mossy sticks, lived a long mother boa and her little boas 6. Squeeze, said the mother. We squeeze, said the 6. So they squeezed and were pleased, curled around some mossy sticks. It's a type of snake, a boa constrictor. Hard to see the number, it's hidden. Over in the jungle in the bromelade heaven lived a poison dart frog and her little froggies 7. Hop, said the mother. We hop, said the 7. So they hopped and they plopped in bromelade heaven. I like the colors on here. The pink with the blue, the green. This might be my favorite page. Over in the jungle where they knew how to wait lived a mother ocelot and her ocelots 8. Our number for this month. Pounce, said the mother. We pounce, said the 8. So they pounced and they bounced and they learned how to wait. When you pounce, you're kind of jumping. Pounce. Aren't they cute? Oh, this is the magic page. Over in the jungle, hanging from a heavy vine, lived a super slow sloth and her little sloths 9. Creep, said the mother. We creep, said the 9. So they crept, and they slept, hanging from a heavy vine. Do you hear that rhyming? Crept, slept. They sound the same. What comes after 9? Double digit. A 1 and a 0 to make 10. Can you hold up 10 fingers? Over in the jungle, in the rainforest den, lived a father howler monkey and his little howlers 10. Hoot, said the father. We hoot, said the 10. So they hooted and they hollered in their rainforest den. Look at them all. The end is kind of unique because the author wants me to turn the page like this, and it's a look and find. And it asks you to find all of the animals that we saw. Can you see them all? I could send you a picture of this page if you want to try to spot them all on your own. I hope you enjoyed the story, scholars. I miss you. Have a great day. Bye.